Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitales TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're talking about one of the most effective tools for learning new words quickly, flashcards. Flashcards are a powerful and proven method for memorizing vocabulary, improving retention, and boosting your confidence in English. Flashcards work because they engage your brain actively. By repeatedly testing yourself, you strengthen your memory and make it easier to recall words when you need them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use flashcards to learn new English words faster than ever before. Let's start with why flashcards are so effective. Unlike passive reading or listening, flashcards require you to actively recall information. For example, if one side of the card says resilient, you'll need to remember its meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. This process helps the words stick in your mind. Another advantage of flashcards is their flexibility. You can use them to learn not only vocabulary but also phrases, grammar rules, or even pronunciation tips. For instance, you could create a flashcard with the phrase "on cloud nine" and its meaning, "extremely happy." Here's how you can use flashcards to learn English. First, start small and focus on quality. Begin with 10 to 15 words or phrases that are relevant to your goals. For example, if you're learning English for travel, focus on words like passport, boarding pass, or luggage. Second, make your own flashcards. Writing the words and definitions yourself helps you remember them better. On one side, write the word or phrase. On the other side, write its meaning, pronunciation, and an example sentence. For instance, front, efficient; back, meaning, doing something in a well-organized way. Example, this method is more efficient than the old one. Third, use spaced repetition. Review your flashcards regularly, but space out the intervals between reviews. Start by reviewing daily, then every 2 days, and so on. This technique helps you move words from short-term to long-term memory. Flashcards also help you practice pronunciation. Add a phonetic spelling or even a recording of the word on your digital flashcards. For example, the word entrepreneur could include the pronunciation / and /pr/nr/ to help you say it correctly. Here are some tips to make learning with flashcards even more effective. Mix it up. Shuffle your cards often so you don't memorize words in a specific order. This keeps your brain actively engaged. Use images. Add pictures to your flashcards to make them more memorable. For example, pair the word ocean with a photo of waves. Practice daily. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes a day with your flashcards, and you'll see results quickly. And most importantly, make it fun. Treat flashcards as a game and celebrate your progress. The more enjoyable the process, the more motivated you'll be to keep learning. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitales TV for more practical and creative English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to turn simple tools like flashcards into powerful methods for mastering English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.